What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Benny back at it again. Hope you guys are having a good day, because I know I am. So anyways, what I got going on is I am working on the car. I'm installing a couple things to get this. We're gonna go to car meet tonight again, but I am adding a couple more things because I'm gonna be doing a couple more stuff. I'm adding things to do more stuff. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be adding the swan neck chassis mounted wing. We're gonna be putting this on because we're gonna be adding a bash bar that'll extend from it essentially, because you guys can see it has piping, that pipe right down the middle. So we're gonna probably drill this out just enough to get another pipe in there, go ahead and then bend it out. I'm talking with my specialist in this, so we're gonna go ahead and figure that out. And then I did go and buy some carbon fiber wrap today to go ahead and wrap this carbon fiber, just so it doesn't look like this. It'll look a little bit nicer at least. Big ol' shit stain right now. I'm gonna go take it to wash, so it is a little dirty, but nonetheless, I'm gonna get into it right quick. Alright, so we just got to the car wash. We're gonna go ahead and cover up the holes, the exhaust, with a rag how I've done before, and then get going on this shit, cause she dirty. There we go, she dirtier than dirt. Forgot to mention I put the wing on. What do you guys think? How do you think it looks? I don't think it looks too bad. There's still some little getting used to, but looks good so far. Just like that, she is clean. Ooh, looking nice and crispy once again. Damn boy. It does need like a little better cleaning, like professionally. I could see some weird the marks like right there, and then you can also see it on the body somewhere over here. But overall, it's looking good, looking good. Now I did mention, I think I mentioned, I have carbon fiber wrap that I'm debating on going ahead and wrapping this hood right now. Maybe if I have time, I'm not exactly sure. I did want to go to a car meet at 5 o'clock, so we will see. I'm gonna see right now. I'm not exactly sure. Maybe I'll put that off for another video, but I'm gonna check it out. You guys, we got a problem. I don't know if you can see all the smoke coming out right there, but I'll speak on it right now in a bit. Gotta take it back home. Wah, wah, wah. What a disappointment. You disgust me, bitch. We're trying, John. Oh shit. Yeah, those are the emo dudes. Alright, you guys, so unfortunately the S2000 is not going out to the car meet as I wanted it to. I even washed it, I got it ready, I put on a big wing, I put on the plates, didn't do the brake light, but doesn't matter because it's not going out. So what happened was that oil line that you guys saw on top, which is the oil feed line, the hose is getting burnt. So I'm gonna have to reroute that through, like the way it is, it kind of goes in through the piping, and so I'm gonna reroute it through the outside, going back in up. The thing is, I don't know if that's gonna be possible because it's going back up, like a long ways up. So I have to try to figure out a way to either get it, I don't know how, like going on top of through everything or what, but I'll figure it out as always. But for now, We had to put it back because that line is my oil feed line. It burst a whole bunch of oil. Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Man. Oh, we're moving.
I interrupted you.
You're good. But as I was saying, that oil line, it just has a lot of oil going through it, and plus my turbo was not, it'll blow up, and then my engine will go right after. So it's best not to risk it. We're just gonna go to the car meet, hang out, see what we find, see what we do. I don't know, we'll see. Damn, look at this. Wow. You're teasing me, man. You're teasing me. Alright, we made it. We made it without the S2000, but we made it. We made it with the Subi. Oh, John, what's up with the wheels, bro? The wheels, man. What's going on? What's going on? Jeez. John's one not to clean his wheels to keep them clean, but it's okay. Nah, I'm just kidding. Nah, John is one to actually have his wheels really clean, but he gets a lot of brake dust, so it fucks it up.
I didn't even want a big brake kit.
You're gonna go trade in for a WRX? Full, oh shit, we're full on fucking Tokyo Drift. Come on, John. I'm just kidding, don't dance. This is the full experience. We got Tokyo, Fast and the Furious music playing in the background. We're at Zion Market. We're in Japan basically. This is where we're at. We got Subis, Evos, Hondas. We're in Japan.
Look at this guy.
That's not bad. That's pretty clean. If he goes lower,
I don't think he's back.
I don't think so either. I feel like he would. I feel like I want to see fender to lip on this. Like it would look pretty aggressive, but I think that's. He needs the wheels needs to be a little more.
You can totally do
the tires.
No, you can totally do it with it.
Yeah?
You just need some more camber. Rather than like the right arms and stuff.
This is pretty clean. This is a nice.
Clean though,
yeah, it is. The paint is pretty mint for being black. Oh shit, carbon fiber. Where the fuck are you at, John? God damn it, dude. Hey, hold on. Hold that thought. So I did do something. I put the S2000 in the dryer, and guess what happened? Turn to your left.
This is so pretty. I love it.
Damn.
It's just like the entire valve cover is the size of your hand.
It's cute.
It's hard.
Yeah.
Well, I need to see his right hand drive.
Yeah. It's a little cappuccino or something. Oh man, it was my people. What the fuck, dude? Damn.
And the S2000 owners.
Fuck, dude. It had to be them. I'm embarrassed. I don't own a S2000, you guys. Hold on, let me look over here.
Yeah.
What, John? Oh shit! What? It's pretty cool though. I mean, props.
Bro, honestly,
Look at the pipes on this thing right here. This is what cut me. This is dangerous, you guys. Like, it's dangerous. Trust me. Dude, what the fuck, bro? And you got his entourage over here. He reminds me of fucking Shrek. Yeah. When he takes off the... What's his name?
Goliath.
Of course.
Fitting, right?
What's up, Goliath? Yeah. Just look at those paws.
Yeah, his head and his paws are the biggest things.
Alright then, man. Have a good one. Hey man, what the fuck?
The paint?
That paint is sparkly!
So they're 32, 33 factory weight, but the newer
I was thinking about getting that badge, but I don't know. Dude, this fucking car fucked up the lineup. Everybody's facing out. This guy's he didn't back in. Like, what the fuck, man?